Are you even playing? Oh.
Am I?
No, that should be one right. Ooh. No, no, it ain't. No, it ain't. It's a crack this way.
Where am I? Human, isn't it?
Bubba sound like he's right there. Stop all of that, bro. Stop all of that. Stop all of that right now. Man just came out the back swinging. Nah, bro. Stop all of that. It's back here. Connie, you owe me one, bro. You bet not die.
At least it's sharp.
I'm grabbing that, boy. I'm grabbing that, though. I'm grabbing that. I don't care what you say or what you... Man, if we don't stab this nigga... Thank you. Come on, man. Let's not be stupid here, team. Stop playing with him. I like that. I'm gonna call you Levi. Give me this. Be up out this basement. Old man's up now. I know I seen another tool. Yeah, I know I did.
Okay. Finally. They're gone. Where are the others?
This'll help. Anything will help.
I'm gonna go stab old dude.
What are these
Ah, Sonny, come on, man, Sonny. And he killed the black man first.
It's too quiet.
Sometimes, man, y'all do need to be with your team because y'all really just ran off and just died and did nothing. Come on, bro. These people really just ran off and died and did nothing. The fuse. We can do the fuse if you want. Fuse box is right there. We just gotta find the
You're gonna get out, okay? You will, Julie. Are they gone? They can't be.
Oh nah, nigga, you in that animation. I'm running right by you. Nah, buddy, you was stuck in that. Come on. I got hitchhiker on me. Bro, let my health, let me get my stuff up, bro. Leave me alone. Buddy, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leland, if you gotta get up out of here, bro. Get up out of here, get up out of here, bro.
Shit. Get away. Get away.
I got 2 of them on me, Leland. You got it.
They're gone for now. Okay. Just keep moving.
I lost both of them. They don't know where I'm at. Bro, and the team couldn't do nothing like that, bro. It's like y'all really just run out and just get slapped. Whoa, Bubba, your IQ. He didn't even see me. He didn't even see me. Oh, nah, I'm stabbing him, bro. I'm stabbing him.
I gotta stay away.
Where is the old dude at? Nah, buddy. Old dude gotta go. He just screaming his life away. That nigga was just screaming his life away, bro. He gotta go. I'm almost dead, though. Leland, please make it, bro. I'm almost dead. Well, y'all, how y'all want to do this? How y'all want to go about this? Man, I wish you had a mic, cause Leland, if you could say what you getting done, I'll be stabbing Grandpa and heading over straight to you, bro.
Think about it.
Cause all they gonna do is try to feed Grandpa, bro. If we can do the fuse, we can get up out of here.
A knife. Wait. No, it's not.
He back up screaming? Oh, no, it don't even matter then. It don't even matter. Come on, man. Don't get me stuck on nothing. Man, what is this game on? Bro, hit him. Hit him. Hit him and stop playing with me, man. Oh my goodness, man. no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Basement door, basement door, basement door. I'm out of there, bro. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. Leland, thank you for the basement door, but you turned the wrong way.